BabyBus.
Hi, everyone. I'm a dessert chef. Today, I'm going to make some rainbow ice cream. It tastes really good. I need white milk, yellow mangoes, red strawberries, blueberries, and I also need orange, green, and purple fruits.
Wow, donuts!
Hi, Rudolph.
Mr. Dow, may I have a donut, please?
Sure.
Wow! Nom 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 nom. It's pretty good. Thank you. Here are some grapes I just picked for you.
Wow, the purple fruit. Great, that's what I need. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
And now orange and green. Let's go ahead and find them. Huh?
Dessert truck! Wait! Wait!
Huh? Huh? Momo?
That looks so yummy!
It's shaved ice. Hold on, please.
Wow! It's really sweet! Better than carrots!
Carrots?
Yes! Here, have some carrots!
Huh? Carrots? That's right. Carrots are orange. Momo, I'll help you.
Huh? What are they doing? Let's go and find out. Momo, Mr. Dow, are you pulling the carrot?
Yes.
We can help you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Huh? Wow. That's great. Now I found the orange for the rainbow ice cream. But what about the green fruit?
The green fruit? I can find it. Follow me.
Ah.
Look, Mr. Dow, is this the fruit that you've been looking for?
Wow, amazing! Let's make some rainbow ice cream!
Yeah!
Let's make some special ice cream. Pour milk, yeah! Now the fruit, colorful! Turn on the machine. Let's make it. Let's make it! It's yummy, 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 yummy. Miu Miu's ice cream. Come on, everybody! La la la, it's dessert time. Juice or ice cream, which do you prefer? La la la, it's dessert time. Juice or ice cream, which do you prefer?
BabyBus still has a lot of videos. Click to watch more. Hi! We are waiting for you. To watch more videos, click here and follow us.